What's up, everybody? Today I've got a 2016 Kenworth T680. It's only got 372,000 miles, Cummins ISX, and a 13-speed. So here's the truck. Like I said, it's a 2016 Kenworth T680. It's a nice, clean truck. Just give you a simple walk around. We have financing available on approved credit. Give us a call. So this truck has the built-in pack car AC and heat unit. It's an auxiliary power unit that's ran off batteries. All we have to do is turn it on. Select our temperature. Right now it says 68 degrees. We have air conditioning. If we select the heat, then we have heat. This truck also has a built-in power inverter. These are very, very nice, attractive features to have in a truck, to be able to get air conditioning and heat without the truck running. This particular truck is a nice, clean truck. It's got the table that folds out, has the built-in fridge. It's a Cummins ISX with a 13-speed Eaton Fuller, and it's only got 372,000 miles. The truck also has deep virgin rubber tires, deep brakes, all aluminum wheels, full aerodynamic package. Hey guys, also don't forget, check out our website, www.bigrigtrucksales.net. Our toll-free number is 888-832-7942. Give us a call if you see anything you like. And don't forget to click subscribe on this YouTube channel, because we'll have more to come.